Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us as we explore a story that spans centuries and continues to shape the world of finance today. Today, we're diving into the remarkable comeback of Monte dei Paschi di Siena, or MPS, the world's oldest surviving bank, founded in 1472. For over 5 centuries, this institution has stood at the heart of Siena, witnessing the rise and fall of empires, revolutions, and economic upheavals. Its story is woven into the very fabric of Italian history. For centuries, MPS was a symbol of Italian stability, trusted by generations. But in recent decades, the bank faced unprecedented challenges: financial missteps, global crises, and a massive government bailout that shook public confidence to its core. The future looked uncertain, and many wondered if this legendary institution could ever recover. Many doubted it could recover, but now, against all odds, MPS is making headlines for all the right reasons. Through determination, innovation, and a renewed commitment to its values, the bank has begun to turn the tide. This isn't just a bank, it's a living piece of Italian heritage, now showing signs of a true renaissance. The elegant architecture and enduring traditions remind us of its deep roots, while its recent achievements point to a vibrant future. After years as a cautionary tale, MPS is re-emerging as a force in Italian finance, not by clinging to the past, but by boldly reinventing itself. The bank is embracing digital transformation, investing in new technologies, and attracting a new generation of talent eager to shape the future. Today, November 8, 2025, marks a dramatic new chapter, one of transformation, resilience, and renewed ambition. The sun rises over Siena, symbolizing hope and the promise of new beginnings for MPS and its community. The bank's journey from near collapse to revitalization is inspiring a new sense of pride and possibility. Employees, customers, and citizens alike are rediscovering what MPS means to Italy and to the world. MPS is proving that even a 553-year-old institution can surprise the world with its strength and vision. Its enduring legacy is not just about survival, but about leading with courage, adapting to change, and inspiring generations to come. Let's get to the news that's electrified the financial world. MPS just reported a Q3 net profit of $474 million, over $100 million above analyst expectations. This isn't a one-off. Profits are up from $407 million last year, showing real momentum. The bank's success comes from higher trading revenue and net fees, offsetting challenges from lower interest rates. Total revenues hit $1 billion, again beating forecasts. Investors responded instantly. MPS shares jumped 5% on the news. The message is clear. CEO Luigi Lavalio's turnaround strategy is working, and the bank's recovery is accelerating. For a bank once on life support, this is a monumental achievement. MPS is setting a new tone, one of robust profitability and renewed confidence. Riding high on these impressive results, a wave of renewed energy is sweeping through the organization. The atmosphere is charged with excitement, as employees and leaders alike recognize the significance of this turning point. MPS leadership is not just celebrating, they're raising the bar and setting new standards for what's possible. The boardroom is alive with bold ideas and a shared sense of purpose, as the team commits to even higher goals. CEO Lavalio has taken a decisive step, upgrading the bank's full-year profit forecast to well above $1.6 billion, a significant jump from the previous $1.5 billion. This move reflects not only confidence in the bank's current trajectory, but also a belief in its long-term potential. This isn't just optimism. It's a clear signal that MPS is moving beyond survival mode and embracing a new era of ambitious growth. The focus has shifted from simply staying afloat to actively pursuing new opportunities and expanding the bank's reach. The narrative has fundamentally changed. MPS is no longer content with meeting minimum requirements. Instead, the bank is setting aggressive targets, inspiring confidence among employees, investors, and the broader market. There's a sense of pride in aiming higher and achieving more. Years of careful restructuring and hard work are finally paying off, transforming MPS into a dynamic, forward-looking player in the financial sector. The bank's culture is evolving, with collaboration and innovation at the forefront. This new ambition is attracting fresh investment, top talent, and renewed public trust. People want to be part of this journey, and stakeholders are taking notice of the bank's momentum. By challenging itself and exceeding expectations, MPS is proving that its comeback is not just a temporary rebound, but a real and sustainable transformation. The bank is now positioned as a leader, not a laggard, in Italian finance. Its reputation is being rebuilt, and its influence is growing across the industry. It's a fundamental transformation, one that's redefining what MPS stands for and setting a new benchmark for excellence in the banking world. The recent surge in profits is just one part of the unfolding story for MPS. In a move that has sent shockwaves through the financial world, the bank has taken an even bolder step, one that will redefine its future and reshape the Italian banking landscape. In September 2025, MPS completed the landmark acquisition of Mediobanca, Milan's elite merchant bank, renowned for its influence and legacy in European finance. This deal is not just a transaction, it's a statement of intent. It stands as the largest deal in recent Italian banking history, signaling MPS's dramatic shift from a defensive posture to a bold offensive strategy. The acquisition has been hailed as a turning point, both for the bank and for the industry at large. By bringing Mediobanca into its fold, MPS gains not only prestige and expertise, but also a powerful brand synonymous with investment banking and wealth management. Mediobanca's reputation for excellence and its deep client relationships are now part of MPS's arsenal. The merger creates a financial powerhouse, pairing MPS's vast retail network and deep roots in Italian communities with Mediobanca's high-end services and sophisticated clientele. Together they form a new national champion, poised to set the pace for the industry. For MPS, the deal means instant access to lucrative markets and a chance to diversify well beyond traditional lending. It opens doors to new revenue streams, from asset management to global advisory services, and strengthens its competitive edge. For Mediobanca, the merger brings scale, resources, and the backing needed to compete on a truly international stage. It's an opportunity to expand its reach and influence far beyond Italy's borders. This transformative deal positions MPS as a clear leader in the ongoing consolidation of Italy's banking sector, setting a new benchmark for ambition and vision. It's a bold, transformative step, one that would have seemed unthinkable just a few years ago, and now marks the dawn of a new era for Italian banking. With the acquisition done, integration is the top priority. MPS is taking a careful approach, unveiling a detailed business plan for the combined group next year. Crucially, Mediobanca will remain a separate legal entity, preserving its prestigious brand and client relationships. Retaining Mediobanca's top talent is central. MPS is investing to keep its best bankers on board. This people-focused strategy ensures a smooth transition and protects the value of both institutions. Customers will benefit from a broader range of services, from everyday banking to sophisticated wealth management. The goal: build a financial powerhouse that serves everyone, from families to major corporations. This thoughtful integration is the blueprint for lasting success. There's a brilliant financial angle to this merger. MPS's past losses have created valuable tax credits, deferred tax assets, that can now offset future profits. By acquiring profitable Mediobanca, MPS can use these credits faster, slashing its tax bill. This means more cash for shareholders, making MPS stock highly attractive. The era of hoarding capital is over. Now, profits will be distributed in full to investors. It's a masterstroke, turning past pain into future gain. The merger is not just strategic, but financially transformative. MPS's leadership is proving creative and forward-thinking, maximizing value for all stakeholders. The bank's darkest days are now fueling its brightest future. To understand MPS's transformation, remember its near collapse after the European debt crisis. The Italian government rescued and nationalized the bank in 2017, aiming for eventual privatization. Under CEO Lavaglio, steady progress allowed the government to gradually sell its shares. Today, the state's stake is down to just 4.9%. MPS is once again privately run. This marks the end of direct government control and the start of true independence. The transition is a testament to disciplined management and successful intervention. Privatization is more than a technicality. It's a psychological shift, restoring self-reliance and agility. MPS is now free to chart its own course, unburdened by political oversight. This final step enables bold moves like the Mediobanca acquisition. With Mediobanca integration as the top priority, MPS is laser-focused on flawless execution. Integrating two major banks is complex. Technology, culture, and people all need careful management. Distraction could undermine the deal, so leadership is disciplined and single-minded. Still, MPS is keeping strategic options open, maintaining strong ties with Banco BPM for potential future collaborations. This approach balances immediate focus with long-term flexibility. By resisting the urge to juggle multiple big projects, MPS reassures investors and employees. The plan? Integrate Mediobanca, unlock synergies, then consider new opportunities from a position of strength. It's a patient, step-by-step strategy for building a financial giant. MPS is thinking long-term, always ready for the next move. Monte dei Paschi di Siena has undergone a profound transformation. From crisis to comeback, it's now a story of ambition and leadership. The Q3 profit surge and Mediobanca acquisition are just the beginning. A thoughtful integration plan and clever use of tax credits promise even greater rewards. Privatization has restored independence and entrepreneurial spirit. MPS is now shaping its own destiny, focused on sustainable growth. The next milestone: unveiling the new business plan in early 2026. For the world's oldest bank, this is more than a turnaround. It's a renaissance, and the world is watching.